Hello guys! Many people wonder how much can be earned in forex markets during the day. I will show you this using example of people from Allintrader's project who used available strategies. Before we start, results are being posted live on the Discord channel, the link to which you can see on the screen. So guys, let's go. Okay, so first result is from Kuban, from our international community. He used price action cycle, one of our strategies. You can see results over here. He had some stop losses, of course, and you can see more take profits actually. Nice results. It all depends from account size. So if you got bigger accounts, you can have like bigger profit, but it doesn't really matter. These strategies are working very well, so I will show you some more, guys. Rafał, also from our community. I'm not sure what exactly strategy he used, but he's got nice profit as well. He had stop loss as well, so it's not only take profits, we got some stop losses as well, like everyone do. I will show you everything, even losses, because you need to see that as well. Okay, next one is Vitek. I think he has small account. His result is $25. You can see that was in 2 days. Is it good result? I think it's good in 2 days with small account. It's quite good. Next one here. What we got in here. I'm not sure total. It's around more than $1,000, so it's nice profit. I'm not sure which strategy he used because it didn't say, but everyone is using our strategy, so one of our strategy for sure. Next one, Rafał again. Gold, 2 positions, 2 sell positions, $738. Very nice result. Okay, next one is Darek. He's saying that beginning of the month started very nice. He's got some small take profits, but you can see big ones as well. Very nice results. No stop losses here. That's perfect. Okay, next one. Darek again from MT Form platform. Let's check. $75, guys. $75 profit. Here there was small stop loss. That is fine. Okay, we got Piotr here. 1.5% done on price action cycle. This is one of our strategies, guys. If you want to find out how to use this strategy, you can check the link below. This we got results here. $416 in total. Very nice results. Let's check. That was only on the 2nd of May. 2nd of May, so only price action cycle, few transactions, $416 in 1 day. Darek again, very nice profits, no stop losses, very nice. I think Darek is using price action cycle. I'm not sure. I will have to check that, but I think it's all price action cycle. Next one, Kasia. Kasia got nice results as well. A little bit smaller account, but it doesn't really matter. You need to start from small accounts to grow big, so very nice results over here. We got GBP USD. That was price action cycle measure move. Here, unfortunately, there was a stop loss. He hit stop loss here. Doesn't say how much, but you know, we got stop losses as well, so it happens. Next one, gold. Strong impulse, break of support and break even. He hit break even, so no profit, no stop loss, just break even. I think it's that one here. That is fine. No loss, so it's fine. What's next? What's next? Let's go, guys. We got another one here. This was only from the morning. Only morning. You can see the time. That was 8:49, 8:51, 9:04. Very nice result. $3,000. $3,000. Only few transactions. Very nice. Okay, this one is quite interesting, guys. We got Augustus, who was trading on non-farm payrolls. We got pattern for non-farm payrolls we can use. Non-farm payrolls are coming up every month on first Friday of the month. You can get very nice results NFP, so I will show you that. That is crazy. That is crazy. Huge account. Here we got like $14,000. Very nice and very quick, because NFP, you can use the pattern and you can get very easy and very quick your profit. Okay, just need to look at few things, but you can get nice profits, guys. Oh, this is nice. This is another strategy. This is actually all-in night strategy. Darek made $219 in one night. Let me just check. Next one, Arek. Let's see what we got in here. I think, yeah, he's got loss. He was in loss. I'm not sure how it ended up, because on this screen I can see that the trade was still open. There was loss minus $200, and that was actually order for reaction, but sometimes it happened, guys. For reaction we are trying to get only few pips, like 10-15 pips. He had stop loss, I think, in wrong place, but you know, it happens. People are still learning, so you know. Okay, Tomek, this is second day of trading on challenge account. This is actually second phase, $506. That was made only on the in 2 days, 2nd and 3rd of May. Very nice, congratulations. Finished second phase of challenge, nice. And the last one, we got some more, guys. I can show you more, but we're gonna finish on this one. So he made $283 and $15, and that was on NFP, so non-farm payrolls again. Very nice result, guys. We got much more. If you want to check it out, you can log into our Discord community and you can check much more. This is happening every single day. People are posting their results. If you are still here, please subscribe our channel and click on like. Take care, guys.